How to contact the Amazon customer service. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to contact the Amazon support, there are three ways by which you can do it. So for this, first of all, open any of your browser and go to amazon.com. Now log in into your account with the credentials, and once logged in, tap on your profile. Scroll down a bit and you will see the option of customer service. Tap on it. It will take you to another page. Now on this page, you have to select your problem. So view or click on any of the issue and check on its details. Now click on I need more help. Tapping on it will take you to another page. Now from here there are three ways. The first one is chat with the customer service. For that tap on chat starting now which will open a chat box. This way you can contact the customer service. Likewise the other option is to directly call. For that tap on request call now and you'll get the number. Third is email. So for this, you just have to explain your problem a bit and tap on send email. So you will get a response within 12 hours. So these are the ways by which you can contact Amazon's customer service. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.